Oh, right, welcome to my job lot. We're still in this town. Yes, well, yeah.
Warning! This is a tornado warning. Residents should immediately take cover. This is a tornado warning.
Would you deal with this? Right, Red? White Jack? Yes. Yes. He's doing everything right, White Jack? Yes. Yeah.
Warning! This is a tornado warning. Residents should immediately take cover. This is a tornado warning.
Okay. I'm watching the birds. I'm watching them. I'm aeronauting. Look at my music. I'll be doing nothing. Get down here. Oh yeah, here goes one. Seriously. I put my hand. Yeah, moving the camera. Wow. Is it storm?
Time to go. Time to go.
Yeah, we're not going to. We're going to do this. Oh,
We got-
careful.
We gotta go.
God damn it.
Okay.
It's dark anyway.
That will get me. Just stand around.
Now we're going, Gary.
Get down and we'll go. You sleep while we get going. But, guys, look, a GPS. What the? How we have them TV?
This is the RFD.
I'm not calling Chuck. Them. We went to the mechanic crew dealership in the mechanic shop to make this. Awesome, right, Spin? Yeah. Well, I'm the one to go outside.
Heading from Clarence to 11 miles south of Calao and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations
it's a
impacted
mechanic
include
system.
Shelbyna, Clarence, Shelbyville, Hemden, Woodlawn, Mott, Granville, Duncan's Bridge and Honeywell. Severe thunderstorms produce damage to wind in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Wait, what?
Struck hail,
Tennessee?
heavy lightning, and
Yeah.
very heavy rain.
I got a storm chaser
I hope
discount.
going.
To an interior room on the lowest floor.
Storm chaser discount. Tornado sirens.
Somebody-
Trains will go quickly, so do not try to go. A tornado warning is in effect for the warned area.
I get
Guys,
you.
that's a
Tornadoes can
tornado.
develop quickly from
Oi.
severe thunderstorms,
Hold on.
although not immediately likely.
Oh,
If a
no.
tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place
Oh,
with
no,
northeast
I
behind a
like
sturdy
doing
structure,
this.
such as the basement or small
Let's
interior
fill you
room.
up with this spot from
A
now
severe
on.
thunderstorm warning has been
Oh,
issued. Get the Eesh, that was rough. Yep, you're right. Well guys, this is coming off for now. We'll see you next video. Bye bye.